gently, and then take your pennies and gently put those in. Go ahead, sir. All right, it floats. So it is a nice little cube. All right, go ahead and drop pennies inside it, and we will count them.
Please say it'll fit. Oh, maybe.
One.
It only works in one. Don't think it'll last very long.
2.
Yeah.
3. 4. 5.
Uh-oh, one fell next game. 4.
6.
Wait.
How many is it?
One of the pennies fell.
Oh, 5.
6. Again.
So we have 5 in there.
It's tipping over, which is a problem.
5.
Let's see. Can I get this in the thing? Uh-oh.
How many you got in there? 6.
And I believe this is 7.
7.
Can I get this in?
8. So it holds 7.
I mean, it was a little lopsided.
All right, here we go. Here's the next one. 1. 2. 3.
I think the doorbell just rang.
3. Oh, it holds 3.
Ready?
All right, here we go. New design.
No, what can I say? I'm just so good at this.
So we'll have to. Oh, it doesn't hold 1.
No.
Why will this not hold 1,
Maybe because
friends?
it's uneven. See, you hooked it lopsided.
So it has a lot. It's tall, right?
Yes.
It's not long and wide.
Yeah, we need long and wide.
All right, let's see how many. 1. 2. 2. It holds 2. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Nice and easy. 8. Oh, it holds 7. Here we go. 1. 2. 2. 2. 3 or 2? 2. 3. 3. It holds 3.